So the next one we're going to do is the Euro Aussie, and just looking here at this chart, we are trading at 126.65. And you all can see, I mean, I don't need to remind you of that. That I think was one of our best trades on Thursday and Friday, taking the Euro Aussie and the Euro New Zealand to the upside. So as you can see, we're above the 126.17. We took the two structure points to the upside. So, and the close here is a good close. It is not really a distressed close. The high of the day is 79 or 80. I mean, it's pretty decent. And if you look at the intraday chart, it's technically a beautiful chart. You have your momentum steps followed by your price acceptance or equilibrium zones, and it's moving in. You got your momentum, pause, and then another momentum, a big decline, then momentum, pause, momentum, pause, momentum, and then you have a big pause. This big pause that you see there, that actually took the 8 hours session of the New York session, is actually a very impressive technical setup, because it held itself above the New York session range for the 8 hours. It ended above that, and having a big base there is an indication that we should get a higher move into what they call bigger base, higher into space. So we should be looking for the next push-up to be quite an impressive move to the push-up, to the upside, and there is no reason for us to go and do anything short unless it trades below the 2 daily highs. So our short is below 126.25, even though we have a structure point at 126.17. I mean, there is no reason for us to actually push the short side unless it breaks below this, but that's it. On the long side, we're going to take it above the high of the day, which is the 126.80. This one's 79, so we'll buy it above 126.80. Or you can take it above the range. So the high is 126. We're buying it above 126.80. What's the structure long point? The next structure long point, what is that? Is the 129.22. So the structure long point is 129. Oh, it's right there. Oops, come on. Yeah, there it is, 129.22. And my stop, if I buy it at 126.80, this is where it stopped over here. So my stop is 126.50. Right there, as you can see from the chart. And on the short side, we are not going to go short unless it trades below the daily high. The 2 daily high is 126.25. So we're going to go short below 126.25. Our structural short point is the 126.17, and my stop on the short position would be I will just put it inside the range. I would say 126.45. So our short stop is 126.45. So for the Euro Aussie, we're buying it above 126.80. We have a structural long point at 129.22, so we should have a potential of a couple of hundred pips to the upside. And bear in mind also, we have another, let me change that here. $128.23. So we do have the structure. The next structure point is the 128.23, which again, this is where it stopped, so we have to respect that. So the next structure long point is the 128.23, and if it gets above that, then it's going to go to the 129.22. So we're buying it above 126.80. The next structure point is 128.23, and my stop is 126.50. I'm risking 30 pips on that trade. On the short side, we're going short below 126.25, and we have the structure point immediately below it at 126.17. So if you want to be a conservative, you want to wait for an additional 8 pips and take it short below 126.17, there's no problem with that. And your stop is the 126.45. All right, that is the Euro Aussie. Let me save that.